Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install reverse lights on Ford F150, and we're going to compare the light output factory halogen versus this brand last fit. The quality is awesome, you know, compared to other brands that I have seen. This is definitely worth buying it. They're affordable and there is details in the back. Well, here's a light output from factory stock halogen reverse lights. The tail light, you have two screws, size 8, one is there and one is there. This is size 8 millimeters. You remove that, just pull on it, just like that, and it comes off. Twist it and remove it, and just pull the light bulb. That's simple. You insert the light bulb, LED, you insert it back into the socket, and that's it. That's so simple. Look how bright this LED. It's crazy bright. Would never expect it to be there. It's so bright that I have to adjust. It's like looking at the sun basically. Look at this factory on the driver's side, yellow color, not even bright. And then look at this LED, so bright. Look how much brighter the LED. You see the passenger side? It's not even dark outside yet, but you can see on a garage door how much it's brighter. Imagine when it's going to be completely dark, how much light output it will give. That's the difference LED bulbs make. They're efficient, so less load in your current. When you less current, less load in your alternator, meaning longer battery, improved fuel economy. That's really nice. Very, very bright. So I'm going to put the other one and we're going to compare the light output. Look how much light output these LEDs providing. This is just awesome. It's not even dark yet, but already pickup truck has been sitting on the same spot since yesterday. I haven't moved, but I want you guys to look at the light output. This is just it's unbelievable how much brighter. So definitely these LEDs worth every penny. Oh yeah. You're definitely going to see things when it's dark and when it's not dark behind you with these LEDs. So in my description there will be the link where you can buy them, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and definitely consider buying this. These are, you know, these are very good quality build packaged, and of course the light output is, this is the best so far what I've seen compared to my other ones that I purchased. This is, I would have to upgrade my other LEDs, my other cars, to these LEDs. So thank you and have a nice day, guys.